You know, you ain't got to be a rocket surgeon to know we really love our Sunguard products. Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell to get notified when new content is available. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and also share our videos. I'm going to get right to the discount code right up front. Use the discount code RV Underway. The link is in the description below. You can go to Sunguard or RV Toy Store and get a great 10% discount on all the great Sunguard products. We've got the windshield cover down here in Key West, sunny days, high temperatures, helps cool down the inside of the RV, protecting the mirrors and the wipers. You've seen our video on the tire savers, also our easy zip shade. All of those products and more, you can get them at Sunguard. We love our Sunguard products. We want you to enjoy them too. So check the description below. Also check out some of our other videos on these great products. The installation, simple and easy. Go and check out our tire saver video and it'll show you exactly how to do it. They all install about the same way. So remember that discount code and use the link to RV Toy Store or Sunguard in the description below. RV Underway is the discount code, save 10%. And until we see you again, fair winds and following seas.